All right, time to take a look at the Wasabi Power LP-E17 kit. Okay. So the first thing is I really do like these chargers because it has the actual AC plugs in the back. So you don't have to take this and find a cord that'll go to a USB power supply or anything like that. These plug directly into an outlet. We do have a light indicator here and our two contacts right there. It also comes with a car adapter, so if you want to, you can charge this on the go. And it has a European adapter, so you can even use this thing if you're in another country. So this is the Canon standard of 1040 milliamp hours. So if you want to get something that's as close to the Canon standard, then this is the ones you want to get. And it does have the 4 contacts on the front and nothing on the back. And there are 2 batteries that are identical. Now, if we compare this to an original Canon battery, we can see that they are basically exactly the same in physical dimensions. There is one thing that is important that you want to note, which is that on the Canon batteries, they have actually done something to these batteries so the camera can read data from the battery to let you know exactly how much charge you have left. These do not have that, so if you just need some backup power, this will work, but if you need to actually display what the power level is, you need the Canon battery. And that can become really important if you're doing video, because if you don't have that information going to the camera, then it will just run until the battery's dead, and if you're filming video, then that video file becomes unreadable. And so you can see here what you get. This is the .dat file, and you can see it is 0 bytes in size. So you can see what I was doing is unboxing the socket set and was taking them all out of the bags, and then I was ending up with this. So I was going to make a little time lapse, but there is no data here anymore. So this file is completely gone. It's still better to use Canon batteries if you can, but if you just need quick power right now, this will work. Especially good if you're doing like photography work, not video work, where you just need to be taking a bunch of pictures and it's not as critical if the power runs out. But the fact of the matter is that this does work, and it will turn the camera on and it will work. You just have to be a little bit more careful when you're using it. So here's an easy way to check. If I take the original Canon charger and I plug in the battery, we can see it lights up yellow and then eventually it will light up green. If we take the Wasabi battery and we put it in that Canon charger, it doesn't do anything. So this cannot read this battery. Do the same thing with the camera. It will turn on the camera, it will work, but you will have some issues with it. Now on the other hand, if we take the Wasabi power supply, we put in the Wasabi battery, and it turns orange. So you will need to use this charger to charge these batteries. But unlike the Canon charger, this will also charge Canon batteries and even other brand batteries. So overall, great set. I do hope that one day Wasabi makes batteries that are compatible with the newer cameras. They'll give that feedback so the camera will actually shut off properly. But until then, these do work, and we can use them to keep on running the camera.